Good morning, students. Very nice response of all the students. So, continue your study, students. We'll start the next topic. Importance of pH value. Importance of pH in our day-to-day life. Okay. So, pH. Yesterday we have discussed in the previous video also. pH means beta what? Power of hydrogen ion. P means power. H means what? Hydrogen ion concentration. So व्हाट डज द हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसनट्रेशन अगर डिक्रीज होगी इंक्रीज होगी हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा वी विल लर्न इन दिस टॉपिक दिस वन सो वी विल सी इन आवर माउथ ऑल्सो द pH value takes place in our digestion also there is very important even our body also works well in a very narrow range pH even the plants also the grow nicely means give good crops production only when there is a pH value is perfect. If the pH value is less or high, then their production will be become low. So same in our stomach also in when the you can say in our day-to-day life when the ant stings wasp bites there also they will change that particular area the pH of our body and we feel pain. So we will start first one. Are plants and animals pH sensitive? Yes, very well. We are very sensitive. Means आप धूप को देखते हो हमारी आइज रिस्पॉन्स देती है when we touch the cold area cold anything our we are sensitive. So plants and animals also pH sensitive. Here is pH sensitive means our body well works within this pH value. If the pH value of our body will be like 7 to 7.8 then we are very perfectly manners we will our body works in a nice way. But if this value become higher than this 7.8 or lower than this 7 then we feel uncomfortable our body feel very uncomfortable and we are feeling tired also and something happen in our body we feel like that one. Okay, so when the pH of rain is also when this pH of rainwater is also less than 5.6 see always less than 6 I told ना it means वाटर जो रेन होता है रेन की pH वैल्यू क्या होती है 5.6 होती है ऑलवेज रेन वाटर की pH वैल्यू कभी भी क्या नहीं होती 7 न्यूट्रल नहीं होती इट इज़ ऑलवेज व्हाट आई टोल्ड इन द प्रीवियस टॉपिक 7 से अगर pH वैल्यू लेस है देन इट इज़ एसिडिक इफ pH वैल्यू इज़ मोर देन 7 then we can say they are basic in nature. So it means what we will say rain water is क्या होता है acidic होता है but if 5.6 से अगर pH value और कम हो जाएगी if it is lesser than 5.6 then we say that the rain is acid rain. But that we will say the rain is acid rain. Understood? So when this pH value will be okay when this pH value be very less means less than 5.6 that time we will say that rain is acidic rain. Not always the rain which comes you can say daily then that rain is we will not say that that rain is acidic that is acid rain. If the value of that rain is it's always acidic not neutral but if that rain water we will check and the pH value is less than 5.6 then we say it is acidic rain. Okay, now students when this acid rain falls on river or you can say lakes ponds then what will happen the larva of that organisms fish everything they feel not comfortable they will not able to survive in that water because the water's pH value is changed. How it is changed because the acid is added into the water. वाटर में क्या ऐड हो गया एसिड ऐड हो गया नाउ एसिड ऐड करते ही व्हाट हैपन एच आयन कंसनट्रेशन क्या हो गया उस वाटर की चेंज हो गई वहाँ पे एच आयन्स ज़्यादा हो गए उसमें देन this aquatic life will not be survive properly they comes in difficulty. Do you understood? So pH plants also and animals also, they are very sensitive. So pH value is very very important for us also and for the animals also, whether they are living in the water, a rounded area or any other places. Understood? Next we will see. Now see what is the importance of pH. What is the importance of pH of soil? Okay. So students, you know that soil, pH value of soil is also very very important. See, when the pH value of soil is around 7, near about 7, means slightly less हो सकती है 7 से, slightly just above 7, but it will not cross, it will not too acidic or not too basic. If it is too basic, if it is too acidic, then the plants will not grow properly. Okay, so the you know that in India there are different areas. The soil of every states, you can say, that is slightly different, and if we will check the pH of that soil, that is different. So some places the soil is acidic, some is basic, but the round is near about 7, means 6 to 7 or 7 to 8, but it will not cross 8. It will not cross, see, 4. 4 से अगर cross कर देगी, the plants will not grow there. Okay, but near about 6 to 8, you can say, slightly less than 7 or slightly just above 7, in that soil the plants grow well. Now how we will check this soil pH value, students? It's very easy. Now you will collect some soil of that area and bring, and that what will happen, put in a beaker. This is, I put a soil. Now what you will do, add some water. What I have added, water added. Now when we will dissolve it properly, then filter the water that comes above and put into the other beaker, this slightly, with the help of filter paper. Filter paper से जो पानी और मिट्टी मिलाने के बाद जो पानी ऊपर आ गया, छना हुआ सा पानी जो ऊपर आ रहा है, उसको फिल्टर पेपर से छान के इसके अंदर ले लिया हमने. नाउ यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर पेपर के ऊपर इसको डालो. ओके, डालने के बाद, इसके ऊपर डालने के बाद इसका जो कलर आएगा वो पीएच चार्ट हमारे पास होता है, जिसको हम पीएच स्केल कहते हैं, जिस पर रीडिंग क्या होगी 1 2 3 4 5 6 नियर अबाउट 14 तक, 0 to 14 होगी. ये कलर जो मैच होगा उस कलर के साथ वी विल सी व्हाट विल बी द रीडिंग. जितनी रीडिंग होगी दैट इज़ द पीएच ऑफ दैट सॉइल. नाउ वी अंडरस्टूड. सो plants are growing well in the soil. Now what is the remedy we will do? If the soil is, students, if the soil is too acidic, if soil is acidic, then what we will add? You know, when acid is added into bases, then they will neutralize the effect, and when base is added in the soil, then also they will neutralize the effect. Like if the soil is acidic, if the soil is, you can rub this one, if the soil is acidic, what we will add in it? Base. What is the name of that base? You can add calcium oxide also, you can add calcium hydroxide also, you can add, or calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate also we will add. Now these are all what? These are bases. Now when in a soil which is acidic, if we will add base, then what happen? It will neutralize excess acid. It will neutralize excess acid present in the soil, and that pH will be now become proper, and then the growth of the plants will be good in that area. Same for base also. What we will do, if the soil is, what I will say, if the soil is basic, too basic, then what we will add? Some, you can say gypsum also. Gypsum means what? CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. This is called beta gypsum. Or you can add manure also, which is prepared at home, that household degrading substance. Okay, that manure, compost, you can add, that also contains some organic material which are acidic in nature. Now that acidic nature substance helping. Now this soil is basic. Now we will add gypsum, or you can say any decomposed manure. That manure contain organic substance which is slightly acidic. Now this acid will neutralize excess base. Okay, alkaline. So what? organic matter we have added, that is organic matter is called manure or compost that we will add. Okay, now this organic substance contain acid, and this acid neutralize excess base, and the soil will not become too basic. Understood? Now this activity also I have explained. Now we will see the next one, students. Now pH in our digestive system. Now what is the importance of pH in our digestive system? Students, we have already studied about digestive system. In our stomach, what is produced? Acid. Gastric juices gastric juices produce one substance that is called, one is mucus, one is HCl, and pepsin enzyme also. Now there is also acid produced by the stomach. Now if this acid produced, this acid is very important in helping in the digestion of the protein. Okay, how it is help? Because it make the medium acidic. ये क्या बनाएगी? स्टमक के अंदर मीडियम एसिडिक होगा, और जब मीडियम एसिडिक होगा तो वहाँ पे एंजाइम डाइजेशन करेंगे प्रोटीन का. बट इफ़ दिस एसिड इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड इन एक्सेस अमाउंट, अगर ये हमारी बॉडी में एक्सेस अमाउंट में प्रोड्यूस होगी, ज़्यादा मात्रा में, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? देयर इज़ पेन ऑल्सो, and we feel irritation. Okay, this cause irritation and pain in our stomach. So what we will use? We use their antacids. What we will use? Their antacids. ये रहा बेटा, antacids. Okay, now you will ask, ma'am, what is antacids? Antacids are those bases. Antacids. Okay. Antacids are those bases. It is the type of bases which help in digestion of which help in digesting this, which help in neutralizing this excess acid released by the stomach. Okay, so antacids are those bases, you can say a group of bases also, which neutralize excess acids. Okay, now I will tell you the name of some antacid. When there is acidity, सभी कहते हैं ना गाँव में एसिडिटी हो गई, जलन हो रही है पेट में, देन व्हाट वी विल यूज? एंटासिड. इफ द बोर्ड आस्क गिव मी सम नेम ऑफ एंटासिड्स, so this antacid neutralize the excess acid, so the name of antacid is magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium hydroxide is called milk of magnesia. And you can say sodium carbonate also, sodium carbonate, this baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is called baking soda. बेकिंग सोडा, SODA, बेकिंग सोडा, जिसका फॉर्मूला होता है NaHCO3. अब इसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हम यही करेंगे, बेकिंग सोडा का ही. ओके, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, दिस इज कॉल्ड बेकिंग सोडा. नाउ दिस बेकिंग सोडा हेल्प इन, it is a type of base which neutralize excess acid. Now you understood. So if this pH in the stomach, if this HCl acid pH increase हो गया या डिक्रीज हो गया, then the digestion of food will not take place in our body properly. Understood? Then it means we understood what is that importance. Now see next one, pH. टूथ डिके स्टडी करते हैं बेटा अभी हम. सी हियर, टूथ डिके. हमारे दांत में कभी आपने देखा है कि दांत अंदर से कैविटी हो जाती है उसमें, ठीक है, टूथ डिके. नाउ टूथ डिके हमारे माउथ में कब स्टार्ट होता है? अगर हमारे माउथ की पीएच वैल्यू 5.5 से क्या हो जाएगी? लेस. 5.5 से लेस. अब ये बताओ मुझे, 5.5 से लेस हो जाएगी तो वो एसिड, उसके अंदर एसिड ज़्यादा हुई या कम हुई? 5.5 है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 7 से कम हुई. 7 से कम है तो इसका मतलब ये क्या है? ये वैल्यू क्या, इस डिजिट को देखते हम क्या समझ जाएंगे कि इट इज़ एसिडिक वैल्यू. दिस वैल्यू इट मीन्स इट इज़ एसिड. ओके, नाउ अगर इससे भी कम हो जाएगी तो हमारे माउथ के अंदर क्या होगा? एसिड ज़्यादा आएगा, तो उससे क्या होगा? हमारा टूथ डीके स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना. अब माउथ के अंदर एसिड आएगा कैसे? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा जो आएगा कैसे वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. जब भी बैक्टीरिया हमारे माउथ के अंदर क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं? बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हेन द फूड पार्टिकल्स रिमेन इन आवर माउथ, वी विल नॉट रिंस आवर माउथ प्रॉपरली समटाइम्स. देन व्हाट, हमारा माउथ को हम साफ़ नहीं करते अच्छी तरीके से, देन फूड पार्टिकल्स हमारे माउथ के अंदर रह जाते हैं. देन व्हाट हैपन व्हेन दिस फूड पार्टिकल्स दे हैव शुगर, उसके अंदर क्या होगी, फूड पार्टिकल्स के अंदर शुगर होगी. ना व्हेन दिस बैक्टीरिया डाइजेस्ट दिस शुगर they produce, what they produce, bacteria, acid. Now in our mouth, when more acid is added here, okay, already our mouth pH value is 5.5. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर एसिड है, ओके, उसके अंदर अब और एसिड मिला दोगे तो ये इसकी pH वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, और कम हो जाएगी, इससे और लोअर हो जाएगी, ओके. लेकिन अगर इसके अंदर पानी मिला देंगे तो pH वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी. बढ़ जाएगी मतलब ये एसिड कम हो जाएगा. लेकिन हमने क्या एसिड और भी इन्वॉल्व कर दी, क्योंकि बैक्टीरिया, व्हाट हैपन व्हेन बैक्टीरिया डाइजेस्ट दिस food which contains sugar, then they release sugar, then they release acid, and when this acid is produced in our mouth, then the pH value of 5.5 will become decrease. okay, इससे भी 5.5 से भी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, pH वैल्यू और लोअर हो जाएगी. then our tooth start degrading, decay. Now students, our tooth enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. tooth enamel किससे बना होता है, कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट से बना होता है. अंडरस्टूड, कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट से बना होता है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, this calcium phosphate, what will do, it is made up of calcium and phosphate. okay, now this is the hardest substance present in our body. tooth enamel is the hardest substance. now बोर्ड में एक बार क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि व्हाट इज द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ द टूथ. तो केमिकल फार्मूला इसके आप केमिकल फार्मूला लिख देना. किसका फार्मूला आएगा, कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट का. okay, so if the question was asked what is the tooth enamel made up of, then you can say calcium phosphate. Understood. So what we have to do, if there is excess acid present in our mouth, then the tooth decay starts. what we will use, we will use toothpaste. what we will use, toothpaste. now you know in toothpaste there is present base, जिसकी pH वैल्यू नियर अबाउट कितनी होती है, 8.3 होती है pH वैल्यू. टूथपेस्ट के अंदर जो बेस होगा उसकी pH वैल्यू क्या होगी, 8.3 के नियर अबाउट होती है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन, दिस बेस न्यूट्रलाइज एक्सेस एसिड प्रेजेंट इन आवर माउथ एंड द टूथ डिके बिकम स्लाइटली लोअर एंड day by day it's decrease and our tooth become nice and in a good situation. okay, next we will see students, next point, what is there. now understood this one topic. now we will see next one, self defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. so some this animals and plants, you know, when any honeybee bites, when any ant bite, when any wasp bite, then we feel irritation. जिस एरिया पे वो आपको काटते हैं वहाँ पे आपको क्या होता है, स्लाइटली पेन होता है. ओके, और इरिटेशन होती है, वहाँ पे जलन से होने जाती है. वाई दिस हैपन, वाई दे आर डूइंग दिस वन, दे आर प्रोटेक्टिंग देम सेल्फ डिफेंस कर रहे हैं वो अपनी. ओके, देन सॉरी, देन व्हाट हैपन, दे विल डू, नाउ व्हाट हैपन, this what they will do, see, in ants, what the ants produce, ant contain, students, ant contain a type of, now students, self defense, how these animals do, when any honeybee bites, then they inject in our skin, what they inject, acid. now due to this acid we feel irritation and pain in our skin, we feel pain and irritation in our skin. now what happened, this acid is neutralized. How this acid is neutralized, this acid is neutralized by adding baking soda, baking soda, baking soda. how it is neutralized, now students, see this and again, if ant also bites, ant bites, yeah, ant sting, inject also methanoic acid, methanoic acid. ant sting also inject methanoic acid in our sting, in our skin. then what we'll have to use, we again used baking soda. baking soda is what, beta, base, and methanoic acid is what, it is a acid. So baking soda is added, rub on the skin, then it will be relief to our area that is stung by a honey ant. Okay, now next is what if any this is I told bee or any honeybee, or what I told that uh, honey matlab ant string or honeybee. Now but be careful, wasp. One a question there is always ask wasp. Okay, WASP, wasp, WASP स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा हो नहीं रहा. वास्प स्टिंग्स, जब हमें वास्प काटता है, सी इट इंजेक्ट इन आवर बॉडी अल्कलाइन सॉल्यूशन. इट इंजेक्ट अल्कलाइन सॉल्यूशन इन आवर बॉडी. से क्या इंजेक्ट करता है वो? अल्कलाइन solution. Okay, always remember, when honeybee or ant bite, then they inject what? Acid in our sting, sorry, acid in our skin. But when wasp bites, wasp जब हमें काटेगा, then what they will inject? An alkaline solution. Now this alkaline solution, again we feel pain in that area, then what we have to rub on this one? Because it is a base, then we have to rub acid. Now which acid we will rub? That is called vinegar. That is called vinegar. Vinegar is a type of acid. When it is rubbed on this alkaline solution, then it neutralize excess base and we feel relief. Same you can say one plant is also there, that is called nettle leaf. That plant have nettle leaves and it inject methanoic acid. Plants also leaves this some leaves are also having some acids. Okay, so this nettle leaves, when we touch this nettle leaves, then they inject. तो वो हमारी बॉडी में क्या इंजेक्ट करते हैं? रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट, मिथनोइक एसिड, एंड वी फील बर्निंग पेन, लाइक बर्निंग. Okay, so once again repeat, honeybee or ant sting that inject in our body, what they inject? Acid. But when a wasp bite, then they release, what they release? They release alkaline solution in our body. And again one plant that is called nettle leaves, that inject methanoic acid also. Like there is a dog plant also, student, DOCK, dog plant. That dog plant is also present near the nettle leaves plant around it. उस प्लांट के पास ये डॉग प्लांट भी होता है. उसकी लीव्स that also contain base, and we will rub that also. Okay, so now you understood the importance of pH in our mouth also, in our stomach also, of soil also. And you see the pH, how that pH we will change by, if there is too acidic, then we'll rub base. If it is basic, then we will add acid. All these things. So thank you, students. Have a nice day.